Fatigue causes and how to restore steady energy. Break the tired cycle starting the day. Fatigue stopped feeling normal when I realized it was quietly shaping my entire day. I would wake up already drained, push through work on autopilot, and crash by evening. It was not laziness. It was a pattern I had to understand and fix step by step without chasing quick promises. Energy depends on sleep, hormones, and fuel balance. I started with the basics most people ignore: sleep quality, hydration, and nutrient intake. According to the Mayo Clinic, poor sleep and inconsistent eating patterns are among the most common drivers of persistent fatigue. Your body relies on stable glucose levels and proper rest cycles to maintain energy and focus. The first change I made was fixing my sleep window. Going to bed and waking up at the same time daily felt boring at first, but within 2 weeks my mornings became less heavy. Not perfect, just easier to start. Then came food. I reduced sugar spikes and focused on balanced meals with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Protein supports muscle repair and steady energy, while fiber slows digestion and prevents crashes. The National Institutes of Health notes that stable blood sugar levels are key for maintaining consistent energy throughout the day. Simple habits that made a real difference. Eggs or yogurt in the morning support satiety and brain function. Whole grains with meals provide steady glucose release. Leafy greens daily. Magnesium supports nerve and muscle function. Nuts a small handful. Healthy fats help sustain energy. Water regularly. Even mild dehydration increases fatigue. I also added light movement. Just a 15-minute walk after meals improved how alert I felt. It sounds too simple, but movement increases blood flow and supports oxygen delivery to tissues, which directly affects how awake you feel. Scientific context matters. Research in journals like Sleep Medicine Reviews shows that sleep consistency improves energy regulation. Studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlight how balanced meals support metabolic stability and reduce fatigue signals. This is not about instant transformation. It is about small corrections that build real change. Results vary depending on lifestyle and health. Some people may have underlying conditions like anemia or thyroid imbalance. Fatigue is not always just habits, so awareness matters. Consult your doctor if fatigue persists. Possible cautions include overuse of caffeine, which can worsen sleep quality. Keep intake moderate and avoid late-day consumption. To track progress, I kept it simple. Daily notes on sleep hours and energy levels. A weekly check on focus and mood. Patterns started to appear and helped me adjust what worked and what did not. This journey taught me that fatigue is often a signal, not a problem to hide. When you respond with consistent habits, your body slowly returns to balance and energy feels natural again. Start with one habit and build from there. Like and share if this helped. Your energy can come back step by step.